सर्वेषां स्वागतं कक्ष्यायाम् अद्य अष्टमपाठः इदमिदानीं प्रारभते। तत्पूर्वं सप्तमपाठस्य ये केचन अंशाः शिष्टाः सन्ति तान् दृष्ट्वा अग्रे सरामः। प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं करोमि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। हरिः ओम्। अस्तु, वयं गतकक्ष्यायाम् अथवा गतकक्ष्यासु गतवासरान्ते कक्ष्यासु सप्तमपाठस्य सर्वे अंशान् प्रायः दृष्टवन्तः। तत्र अन्तिमभागे स्वरसन्धिषु अथवा अच् सन्धिषु यान्तादेशवान्तादेशसन्धेः अथवा अयादिसन्धेः पठनं किञ्चित् कृतवन्तः। तत्र एतं विषयं ज्ञातवन्तः। पूर्वपदस्य अन्तिमाक्षरः यदि एकारः ओकारः ऐकारः औकारः वा अस्ति, परपदस्य प्रथमाक्षरः किमपि अच् अक्षरः अर्थात् स्वराक्षरः अ आ इ ई उ ऊ एतादृशानि औपर्यन्तं यदि स्तः, तर्हि पूर्वाक्षरस्य स्थाने एकारस्य स्थाने ऐ, ओकारस्य स्थाने औ, ऐकारस्य स्थाने आय्, औकारस्य स्थाने आव् इति आदेशः भवति। पराक्षरः पर अच् अक्षरः तथैव तिष्ठति। पूर्वाक्षरस्य एव आदेशः, तदनन्तरं तदादेशः ऐ इति आदेशः अकारेण सह अय, इकारेण सह अयि, उकारेण सह अयु, ऋकारेण सह ऐर् इति एतादृशानि परिवर्तनानि भवन्ति. Very rare case where rikara and air, how it comes I and u with r, air, very difficult to pronounce. Anyway, so it's much easier to talk about a, e, u, a, o, I, o for this case. Then similarly for o, au will become ava, avu, avi, avu, avru, ave, avo, etc. Ai, aya, ayu, etc. Like that. Ava, avu, like that, etc. So actually, though only I, au, I, aw are being shown on the screen, that what is shown on the screen is a substitution or the adesha for only the left side letter. The right side letter has to be combined to make the new sound. That will happen again, as you know, the prakriya will follow normally. So what is important to remember in Ach Sandhi? The first row sandhis, which is basically, if I include the Savarna Dirgha Sandhi in the first row because it includes the a plus a, all those variants, first row sandhis, they are different from the other sandhis. Okay. In the first, actually also there are a couple of other sandhi which are like first row sandhis, but anyway, let us talk about the first row for now. These sandhis, the adesha is for both. Okay, so a plus a, both of them replaced with one single a plus a, like that, a plus ai, like that. Okay, but here for yand sandhi and yantavanta desha sandhi, that is not the case. For yand sandhi, e only is replaced by y, a remains, like that. Similarly for yantavanta, like I explained. So remember that variation. Which portion is changed has to be remembered. Okay, so the picture doesn't speak of all that detail, but there's something for us to remember in our mind. Okay, now another thing about Yantavanta Desha Sandhi we saw was there is within that large region of Yantavanta, there is a small exception region which is not Yantavanta. That is the Purva Rupa Sandhi. If we decide to do Sandhi, see, finally remember, Sandhi is optional between padas. Sandhi is not optional within a Samasa pada. It is not optional within a Kriya pada or within a Nama pada, between the Prakriti Pratyaya, etc., etc. But at a sentence level, between what is already a legal pada and another legal pada, the Sandhi is Vaktuhu vivaksha, we call it actually our desire to do it. So if we choose to do the sandhi, then there are some places where only one sandhi overrides the other. It is not like both are optional, etc. So Purvarupa sandhi is like that. And Purvarupa sandhi, this blue block, is actually those showing for the whole column. It is only for Hrisva Akara. Remember, this column title A stands for both A and A. But for this blue set, it is only for Akara. Okay. So A with Hrisva Akara generates Purvarupa sandhi. Here, see A and this Avagraha Chinha. O with Hrisva Akara generates O and Avagraha Chinha. So now why is this called Purvarupa? There is something new coming. In place of the there is something new called Avagraha coming. Actually, it is called Purvarupa because this Avagraha Chinha is actually the sign only in written form. It is not a pronounced letter. The Akara is deemed to have been elided or made to be not pronounced. So the akara has in effect disappeared, and the purva letter, which is the ekara, replaces both of them, a and a. So that's why it's called purva rupa. Purvaksharasya rupa eva sandehe param bhavati iti purva rupa sandhi. There is also a class of sandhi called pararupa sandhi, etc., which will come later. That we will get to that when the levels teach us according to the series. But with respect to Purva Rupa, it is still a replacement for both. Okay, mentally, because there is only A Kara coming into the picture and O Kara coming into the picture in place of both A and A and O and A. Right? So that is also like the first row sandhis. Okay, it is also replacing both letters technically, but in written form, the A remains to help us do the sandhi vichedana correctly. The Avagraha Chinha is chosen. Okay. All right. I don't know personally when that Avagraha Chinha started appearing in written script, but as you know, in Samskrita Paddhati, Devanagari Lipi is not very old. It is a fairly newer script. There have been Brahmi scripts, and before that, scriptless eras also are spoken of, though I am not so confident of all that. I think our Purvajas were smart enough to be writing right away. They designed such a beautiful language. To think that they were dumb to not able to write is a little dumb on our part to interpret like that. Though there was a Maukika Parampara, that doesn't mean there was no Leka Parampara. Sometimes all kinds of misinterpretations are done about that. Anyway, all right. So that's what Yantavanta Desha Sandhi we studied. Okay. And only one more thing, this Purvarapa Sandhi also has a further restriction. Okay, it cannot apply for all Yantavanta. Okay, when there is a Padanta, the Purvakshara, Ekara, Okara is a Padanta, then it overwrites the Yantavanta. It replaces the Yantavanta. If it is non-Padanta, that means if it is an internal Sandhi within a Pada, okay, then Purvarupa Sandhi is not applicable. Yantavanta will still apply even if the Hrisva Akara is there. I hope you have got all these color variations I have told. These are little bit sukshma bindus which over time will help you if you remember. Okay. Padante bhavati iti asti. Astu va? अत्र पूर्वरूपसन्धेः ज्ञानं तु वयं प्रागेव प्राप्तवन्तः पूर्वतन पाठे एव आसीत् किमर्थं संस्कृतभारती तत्रैव तस्य पाठं कृतवन्तः तस्य प्रधानत्वं प्रथमतया पूर्वरूपसन्धेः प्राधान्यं तदनन्तरं यदि तद् न भवितुं शक्यते तर्हि तस्मिन् स्थले एव यान्तावान्तदेशसन्धिः भवति इति सूचनाय तदनन्तरं. So they have showed the exception rule first and then the what you call the background rule or the thing. Exception is called apavada. Okay, and standard is called I forgot the Sanskritam name. I'll remember and tell you. Okay, so yeah, default and exception is a technology.
Is it Samanya?
Not Samanya. There is another beautiful technical word for Utsarga Apavada. Correct. I forgot the technical term. Utsarga means the one that adds and apavada is one that deletes. That's how the Sanskritam grammar goes. So there are utsarga rules and apavada rules. Utsarga rules add and apavada rules subtract from the set. Okay, very good for set theory type of approach. Okay, as you see, the picture is all about set theory. This picture, if you go back to our scholastic days, this is all about set theory. Okay, anyway, all right. So after all that, let us, we saw a few examples in the class, we practiced those. Maybe we can do a few abhyasas today just to warm up again about Yanta Vanta before we proceed. I will invite a few of you to participate. So Anuradha PK, Anuradha Varye, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So few udaharanas you have to try for us. So one example they have given, chora vagatau is chorau agatau, au plus a. So tad tavad tavekada. Can you read a few of them and split it for us?
Tavekada, tava plus ekada, sir.
Tava, but tava coming from how? How does tava come? You're right. First mental. See, madam is doing the right way. We don't have to say the intermediate steps are illegal. There is nothing illegal when we are thinking. Okay. So Tava plus Ekada is the first split. What has Anuradha ji done? She has identified potentially that is the place there is a Yantavanta Desha here. That looks like, because Ekada I know as a word, Tava I yet don't know. Maybe it has to be reversed back to something using the Sandhi reversal. So she said Tava plus Ekada. Nothing wrong. Okay. Now actually it is not Tava, it is Tav plus Ekada. Halanta Vakara. Right? Anuradha ji?
Right,
So
sir.
Tav comes from what you think? Can you reverse Tav back to its original word form?
Sorry, sir, not able to.
Not able to. Okay. All right. Take stand by. You have tried part of it. Let me invite someone else who can probably help us. So Manjunath BM. Manjunatha BM.
Yes, sir.
Try, sir.
So it is Tai plus Akada.
Okay. You're saying it is Tai plus Akada. I plus A.
I plus Akada.
I plus A. If you go back to the table, table, I plus A generates I. There is no yakara at all in the word. Okay. I plus A generates I. We saw
Tau plus
we saw tav, av, we saw. Okay. So because we saw av, you have to pick up the one with av. Okay, here av. So au could be the origin. Au plus ekada, tav ekada. Okay, so that's how we have to go about it. Okay, so tau plus ekada, which is au plus a, au plus a. Okay, in the exam you need to write only this much, but right now using two of you, we went through the exercise of how while reversing a sandhi we make mistakes and how to correct ourselves. Okay, so this kind of one sheet, if you keep a color printout, if you have a color printer or even a light gray black and white printout, will help you. Okay, I have sent one AIO PDF earlier. Others have also reshared it for those who did not see it. So if you go to your WhatsApp group and if you have not deleted messages, you go to the triple dot menu. Under that, you go to documents. You may find previous attachments listed there one by one. So because then you can ignore. Another thing I do in WhatsApp is, because it becomes unmanageable with too many messages, important messages, I star them. There is a feature called starring. Then you can see starred messages separately under the dot menu, or even you can clear the non-star messages periodically. Once you are sure you have starred all the things that you think are important, you can clear the rest. Okay, which are normal, thank you, all those things. Okay, so once you do that, it becomes more useful, the WhatsApp. Otherwise it is unmanageable. I agree, it's almost a wasteful tool. But that's what we have and we have to make use of that. Okay, so do all that. So let us continue on. Manjunath, or yeah, next one you can try. Putraviti.
Putraviti.
See, it looks very
Putrau.
similar to Putrau
Putrau plus iti.
Perfect. You got it. Av is there, iti is there, so
Iti.
iti comes out. So putrav plus iti, av replaced by au, reversing back. So putrau iti. Very good. Putrau iti, au plus e, av plus e. You are getting it. Next one you try.
Guruvatsaha. So
Guravutsaha.
Guravas-
Guravutsaha.
Guravutsaha.
Hmm.
So
Can you say haha? Guravutsaha.
Guravutsaha.
It makes your tongue clean when you practice these things. Okay, good.
Sure.
Huh.
So Guruvau plus
No.
Utsaha.
No Guru wow. There is no ukara.
Guru-
Gura is there.
Gurau.
Guru is not.
Gurau plus Utsaha.
Gurau Utsaha. You are getting it now. If you are starting becoming familiar with these shabdas, Guruhu, Guru, Gurava, Gurum, Guru, Gurun, Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubhi, Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhya. If you go to Saptami, Gurau will come. Okay. So that is the shabd. Gurau Utsaha. That is Utsaha in the Guru. Like means somebody is teaching well, you get Utsaha. That type of thing. Okay. Gurau Utsaha. Or in the Guru himself, there is an Utsaha to teach. That could be also the reason why such a coinage is there. Au plus U, Au plus U. Okay. So thank you very much, Manjunath Varya. Okay. So Krishna Kumar.
Krishna.
Mohodaya, can you try?
Nara udarau. Narava plus adhigam udarau. Narau udarau.
Narau udarau. Samyak kritam bhavata. Okay. Au plus u, au plus u. Adhikam. Astu. Narau adhikam udarau. Next. Agrimasya prayatnam karot.
Karavetau. Karava adhikam etau. Karau adhikam etau.
Samyak. Karau adhikam etau. इदानीं भवान् एतस्य त्यागं कुर्मः पुनः तथैव अस्ति अग्रिमस्य सप्तमस्य स्वीकुर्मः सप्तमस्य करोतु
तस्य इदं तस्य अधिकम् इदं
क्षम्यतां तस्या अधिकम् इदं वा तस्याय अधिकम् इदं तस्याय you cannot drop a single letter otherwise you will make colossal mistakes तस्याय अधिकम् इदम् इति प्रथम प्रयत्नः तदनन्तरं किं भवति
आय भवति ऐ
सम्यक्
तस्यै
इदं
तस्यै
बहु सम्यक् कृतं भवता तो बालकौ एतत् त्यजामः तदनन्तरं सप्तमस्य तस्यै इदम् I plus E I plus E we are going in this direction I plus E to I plus E
Guruji, I understood tasyai plus idam. One step before that, how did you do that?
See, what Sirji is doing for us is first he is not trying to do the reversal of the sandhi. He is trying to find the correct place to split. Okay. So first attempt he did was tasyai halant plus idam. He showed that idam comes out first. Okay. So the first step was to bring out what is going to be undamaged within the sandhipada. Idam is undamaged. So it's easier to recognize that first. Right?
Okay.
So he removed the idam and kept the left side as is. Tasyai. Then go to the tail of the first left side and see what pattern it pattern matching he did. I. So he look up, you look up, I is coming from I. So tasyai idam. Like that he went. Is it clear?
Okay, good.
So his process is like this. Though answer is written left to right, process is right to left.
Okay. Understood. Dhanyawad.
Okay, like this, guys. So now I will skip forward because of lack of time. I just wanted to demonstrate how to go about it because reversing a sandhi is always a challenge, more challenging than adding sandhis. Adding sandhis is a mere straight lookup. Reversing is not a straightforward lookup because we don't know the indices of that lookup also, right? When we join the words, we know what the index is. O with oho, so visarga, something immediately know visarga sandhi. So we need to look into visarga table and know what to do, etc., like that we think. But this is an internal. This one is they have given a very tough one. Vishnoho
Literally
A.
like walking backwards it is.
Vishnoho A is a fairly tough one. Anyway, let me unravel that. Okay. Vishnave, actually, see, it is actually pretty tough one they have given. I don't know why they expect all this exercise to happen, but anyway, it's an important one to look and keep in brain. So Vishnu, first we have to do Visarga Lopa, Vishnu plus A, and then we have to do O plus A, Au plus A, Ave, and this is an internal Sandhi. Vishnave is within the Vibhakti table. It is a completely internal Sandhi. Okay, so something to remember. Okay, all right. There are slightly different ways Sandhi rules apply within a Prakriya. We call this as a Prakriya Sandhi. Prakriya means the chemical reaction of Vyakarana is called Prakriya. Okay, the chemical reaction of Vyakarana to produce words is Prakriya. So that reaction is being reversed here. Vishnoho A. That means they are walking from the original root stem form to the actual word form here. It's a little because they just wanted to introduce a few of those to you also. Maybe they did it. So that's why it's this screen. I will just open up so that you guys can. I can send a snap of this. I'll remember to send the 40th slide to you. Don't worry about screenshot and all that. Okay. So yeah. Slightly, because in my answers a little more may be given slightly than what is there at the end of the chapters. That's there. Okay. All right. So let's move forward to the uncovered portions. So the Sangrahya Vishayaha.
Sir, one thing, like
Yes.
for this Sandhi with the table, it is really coming very, it's very easy to find the split actually. So whatever Varya previous person did, it was easier and it was a lesson for all of us.
Tilakvarya. In that up to him, he is still our. Yeah.
Having the table beside and going back is easier.
Yes. But still, we need to know how to use the table also. That's why I'm teaching every time. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
But, yeah. No. We are deeply indebted to few youngsters who are turning out to be master Sanskrit teachers in India today. Tilakvarya is one. Many of his batchmates in the Gurukulam where they study and teach now. Now they are professors there. They're all brilliant. Amazing products of Sanskrit thing. And we have to thank the Sringeri Mutt. Sringeri Mutt is one keeping the flag of Sanskritam high from the cultural angle as well as the language angle. Okay, and there is one more person I would like to name and mention because I've used many of her products also in these classes. She is Saumya Krishnapur. Okay, she is also a very young person. Okay. And she also has gained deep knowledge of Sanskritam grammar and is leading wonderful classes through Vyoma Labs. Okay, all of you should aim to become her online student through Vyoma Labs. Whenever you ascend to the correct levels and are able to partake in her teachings, make sure that you take benefit of her lovely. All her classes are available as archives on YouTube, etc., with PDF material. I haven't found, even if you pay crores, you won't get the material that you will get from Krishnapura Varye. She is having enormous patience to make extremely utilitarian presentations and teach in the highest caliber. Never with any saying that I'm doing this free, so let me do it in any which way. No. She is the one to use technology to the nth limit. I'm highly impressed. Just unbelievable.
Shri.
Huh?
This is Shri.
Sir, I didn't get you.
My name is Shrikant. I echo your 100%. I follow Soumya Krishnapur, and I have the dedication she has, the quality of courses she has created on Vyoma Lab, and most of them are free.
Yes.
And our charges 90% courses are free and wonderful course.
Yes, yes, very correct, sir. They are a NGO, so they sustain through donations. So whenever we take advantage of their course to learn something, let us remember to donate. Yeah, good. All right. I'm happy that you're already a student there and are taking advantage of the knowledge. All right, so let's move forward, guys. So Sangrahya Vishayaha. So today is 8. We have slowly climbed the numbers. Ashtadikpalakaha, 8 protectors of the directions. If I want to literally translate that. Indraha, Agnihi, Yamaha, Nirrutihi, Varunaha, Vayuhu, Kuberaha, Ishanaha. So Nairitya Disha and Ishanya Disha has the name of the Lord is also Nirrutihi, Ishanaha, like that. Others have other proper Deva names. So Indra is actually, of course, the overall leader of the Devas. So Indra, Agni, Yama, Nirrutihi, Varunaha, Vayuhu, Kuberaha, Ishanaha. Okay, all right. Then Ashtadikgajaha. So 8 elephant names associated with direct. Yes, sir. Yes, Mahodaya.
What do you spell this again? Nirguruti. How do you spell?
Nirrutihi. See, first Nikara, Ni, N, E, then the Repamsha has to be pronounced, R, okay, Nir, and then Rikara, R. This North Indians would pronounce it as Ri. So, Nirritihi, they will say Nirritihi. South Indians generally say Nirrutihi. Neither U nor E, somewhere in between is the correct pronunciation, which is Nirritihi, Nirritihi, like that, okay. So attack Repa and then release is the Rikara. Okay. Yeah. Nirrutihi. All right. So Ashtadikgajaha, 8 direction elephants. Airavataha, which is Indra's elephant, of course. Pundarikaha, Vamanaha, Kumudaha, Anjanaha, Pushpadantaha, Sarvabhaumaha, Supratikaha. You have to remember somehow. Geeta Bhagini, is there a question? Okay, I think it just unmuted. Just like that. I'll just mute you. Okay. All right. So nothing much I can do to help. To remember them, you have to try and memorize. Ashtasiddhayaha, Anima, Mahima, Garima, Laghima, Praptihi, Prakamyam, Ishitvam, Vashitvam. See, these things are Yoga Siddhis. Okay. In the Yoga Sutras, when the yogis do deep meditative practices and asanas, etc., they obtain certain capabilities. So those capabilities are being talked about. Today in Kali Yuga, in our world, this looks all little mirthful. Is it possible what they are saying? Who knows, right? So Anima, ability to become atomically small. Mahima, ability to become giant. Garima, similar something long. Laghima, short. Praptihi, obtaining what they wish. Prakamyam, that is that's similar to Praptihi only. Okay, so Kamita Vastunaha Praptihi, Prakamyam, something like that. Ishitvam, ability to lord, okay, or rule. Vashitvam, ability to control another. Okay, so these kind of abilities, siddhis, become possible through yoga. Now look, Vashitvam, even today it is practiced, right? So there are these so-called hypnotic techniques that are well described scientifically as, yes, truthfully you can take control of another's mind. So Vashitvam is very much. Ishitvam, we see all kinds of dumbos becoming leaders because of their Ishitvam, like Trump, right? So it's possible. So many of these things are, if they are possible, the others must be possible, is by extension in a particular proper way if practiced, perhaps. Who knows? Okay, I wouldn't rule them
In
out.
Ramayana, Hanuman
Correct.
becomes small
Correct.
and big.
He has many of these siddhis. Perfect. well quoted. Yeah. Okay. Then Ashta Mangalani. So 8 holy items of a king, you can say, or a kingdom. So a king has to maintain these Mangala Suchakas. So Simha, Vrishabha, Gaja, Kalasha, of course with the correct linga. Simha, Vrishabha, Gajaha, Kalashaha. Vyajanam is actually the fan. Dvajaha, flag. Bheri, the drum. And Deepaha, the big torch. So if you see a procession, if you go to Dasara procession of Mysore or something, near the king's elephant, these items will always go along. See, this is the dvaja, chamara sometimes it's called. Then bheri, all the drums. Then these chhatris. Okay, they also have a place. You can take it under dvajaha, but they have their own kalasha. Actually, you have to take it under kalasha. So those are all kalashas, like that. So you see this. So the standard procession of a king includes this Mangala Vastus always. So there will be also a torchlight, etc. If you have attended a Dasara event in Mysore in the ancient times, modern times, it's all a joke. There used to be a torchlight parade also with the deepas. There used to be a small contingent who were expert in handling torches and things like that. It used to be brilliant affair when the earlier king was alive. In my childhood, I've attended. It's unbelievable. Ashtanga Namaskaraha. So prostrating with the chest, head, eyes, mind, feet, hands, and ears. So you may again ask, how is it possible to touch the eyes, mind? Yeah, it is possible mentally to touch the mind to the ground. Eyes definitely we can touch. And sometimes you see people when they do Ashtanga Namaskara, they twist the head left and right, to touch the left ear and the right ear also. Okay, so we cannot question all this. Fine. So that's what is shown here, shown in the this way. So it goes from right to left. All right, so it's being talked of. So just remember the term Ashtanga Namaskara and remember the Angas. All right, so then there is this final traditional verse that they teach us. So let us see what is it about Go Mata. This is a nice one. Gavo mamagratah santu gavo me santu prishtatah gavo me hridaye nityam gavam madhye vasamyaham. So gavah is become gavo. So it's a visarga utva. So gavah mama agratah santu. The cows of my front. That means in my front. Okay. Mama agrataha, in my front. Santu, may there be. So that means may there be cows in front of me. That's what this is the portion. Pada. Gavaha may santu prishtataha. So mama may, alternative form. See, one place mama is used, one place may is used. Okay. So the cows may also be there behind me. Prishtataha, behind me, from my back, like that. Gavaha me hridaye nityam. So may they eternally be present in my heart. Okay. So there are many other interpretations to the word gav. Okay. So one of the interpretations is actually Shanti and such things, holy Shanti things. So maybe it's that quality of the cow may be eternal in my heart. Gavam madhye vasamyaham. I will live in the middle of cows. That means I shall live in the company of holy, calm beings. You can take it that way. A good desire to have. Let there be cows in front of me, behind me, and in my heart always. I live amidst cows. This is extremely literal translation, what we call as Samanya Artha, Padartha, Anvayartha, but we have to go to Lakshyartha and Bhavartha and Vyangyartha as per the need. Okay, Vyangya here would be Bhava. Okay, not any jocular Vyangya, more a heart related Vyangya. All right. This what picture I have is related to this Anima, Garima, Vashitvam. Sorry, it is related to Siddhaya. See, Love, humility, helping, contribution, economy, etc., etc. Somebody has made some interesting thing with them. Anyway, I found it interesting, so I thought pulled it. Okay. So let's attempt a few questions before we close the 7th lesson. We can crowdsource. Devaha kaihi triptim na praptavantaha. This is Samudra Manthana.
Ratnai.
Ratnaihi. Subhashitam, right? Ratnaihi triptim na praptavantaha. Samyak. Kena devaha bhitim na praptavantaha.
Vishena devaha
Vishena na bhitim praptavantaha. Bhima Vishena. Correct.
Bhima Vishena.
Ghora Vishena is similar to Bhima Vishena. Ghorena Bhima Vishena devaha bhitim na praptavantaha. Okay. Dhiraha kasmat na viramanti.
Nishchitartha karyam
Nishchitarthat na viramanti. Dhiraha, I have put dhiraha, this should be dhiraha. Dhiraha nishchitarthat satyat. Target na viramanti. Sanmitram kim niguhati kincha prakati karoti.
Guhyam.
Guhyam niguhati. Correct. Somebody said guhyam, but it's guhyam. Guhyam niguhati.
Gunan.
Sadgunancha prakati karoti. Athwa sadgunam cha prakati karoti. Something like that. Okay. So sanmitraha guhyam vishayam niguhati suhrudasya, which is friends, sadgunancha prakati karoti. Good qualities he establishes or announces. Very good. So this sandhis you can try. Tamadisha dochyutaha. Tamadisha dochyutaha. What is it? There are two breaks I can see.
Tamadishat achyutah.
Tamadishat achyutah. Tamadishat. Tam adishat. Correct. Tam adishat. So tam adishat is a simple samyoga. There is no sandhi. Makara halant with akara. Tam adishat achyutah. Takara changes to a soft dakara. There is actually a visarga sandhi. Okay. Tam adishat achyutah. Okay. So tam adishat achyutah. Samyuktaksharaha yen sandhihi iti likitamasti. Yen sandhihi katam iti I am not sure. I have made a mistake there. It is not a yen sandhi.
It is the becomes
It is a
sandhi, Guruji.
Yeah, it is one of the Vyanjana sandhis. Okay, not a, so you can ignore my end sandhi thing there. Sunil Varya, a lot of things. Just let me mute him. Sorry, Sunil Varya, I had to mute you because continuous noise is coming. I apologize. Okay. Gamishyami tyuvacha. Crowdsource.
Gamishyami iti uvacha.
Perfect. He broke both the sandhis correctly. Gamishyami iti, gamishyami iti. So savarna dirgha sandhi, ikara, savarna dirgha sandhi. Okay. Iti uvacha, ityuvacha, end sandhi. So here there is savarna dirgha and end correct. Gamishyami iti uvacha. Well done. Sa tamasahayama tamasahayamarakshat.
Tam asahayat rakshat.
Asahayam. Asahayat takaraha nasti. Asahayam arakshat. So saha on visarga lopa you missed. Saha tam asahayam arakshat. Tam asahayam simple samyoga.
असहायाम्
क्षम्यताम्
असहायाम्
correct madam. Asahayam arakshat, again it is
Arakshat.
simple samyoga, there is no sandhi, there is only a one sandhi here, visarga lopa sandhi. Okay, saha tam, okay, saha tam asahayam arakshat. Okay, arakshat, this is a mistake here. Okay, it's not, I have to correct those things. Let me correct it now so that at least in future when I teach the same errors don't appear. Rakshat is a lang lakara. Rakshitavan arakshat. Like that. Okay, sorry for taking your time there. Okay, so like this, guys. So you try the remaining, just to practice them. So let's move forward. Okay. Last one, I want to point out a few things what I have done here. Okay, this actually is interesting. Maybe you guys can try a few of you and go about it. God was saluted by him. Saugandhi, can you try this? God was saluted by him. Translate to Sanskritam. Krudant, you have to use kta pratyayanta.
Bhagavan. Deva.
Deva is easy, correct. Devaha.
Devena.
No, Devena no. By him.
By him.
Saha Shabda, can you run?
Saha tauti tam tautan. Tena.
Correct.
Tena Devaha namyate.
Correct. Tena Devaha namyate, but that is not kta pratyayanta. Okay, you have used also, you have not used past tense, you have used lat karmani. Can you go to a kta bhuta karmani? Try something, doesn't matter. No, kta pratyaya.
I can't get it, Guruji.
Namaskritah. Okay, Devaha tena namaskritah. So kru dhatu is easier to add and go. So namaskritah, like that we can go. Okay, actually nataha, which is not easy to bring out, nataha. So tena devaha nataha. So what is happening? Devaha I have shown green to show that that dominates the kriyapada in kta pratyaya, because deva karmapada becomes the controller for the kriyapada. Devaha nataha, devaha namaskritah, anamyata, something like that is the lang karmani. I am not having any reference to cross check a lot of this because there isn't any standard resource available to check the karmani forms. Unfortunately, the ashtadhyayi.com focuses on the basic lakaras. It doesn't go into karmani forms and things like that yet. One day, hopefully, they reach there. Then they will become an excellent reference for complete knowledge of Sanskritam. Okay,
Guruji,
so all right.
If they had not told the ta pratyaya, we can say namyate sva or something. No?
Yeah, not too bad. Correct. If you can't at all go there properly, namyate sma is not bad. Okay, though it is not. I cannot stand up and clap for it, but I would clap saying, "Look, she at least tried something." To put it in past tense. So yes, well done. So the thanks Saugandhi Varye. So Geeta Hegde, your chance. The thief was caught by policemen.
Choraha.
Choraha va?
Choraha.
Arakshakena.
Grahyata.
No. Kta pratyaya. Almost you are getting there. See, usually kta pratyaya for pullinga ends with taha, something like that.
Grihyata.
Grihitaha.
Choraha arakshakena grihyata. गृह्यतः
गृहीतः
गृहीतः
Choraha arakshak. Okay, policemen is there. I also failed to notice. So because it is policemen, it's arakshakaihi. If it was policeman, then it would have been arakshakena. Okay, but it is policemen, so arakshakaihi. Grihitaha, baddaha, banditaha, agruhyata. Agruhyata is a
आरक्षकैः गृहीतः
Swarna Kumari. Can you mute yourself, please? Yeah, thank you. So grihitaha is enough. Okay, well tried, Geeta Varya. So
Yes, namaste, sir.
ask me.
धन्यवादः
Try the next one, Swarna Kumari.
Were written by me.
Hmm.
Vakyani
Hmm. How do you run the aham shabda? Can you tell the aham shabda?
aham
Aham,
Lik-
avam,
lik-
vayam.
written is likhna,
Correct. Lik dhatu.
lik dhatu. Likhani.
Likitani. Good try. Good try. You're close. So vakyani likitani. That is the karma and its kriya pada. Very good. Vakyani likitani. Okay, but likitani. Likitani is the correct form. Okay. Likitam likitani.
Sentences were written by me. One more word I should get, I think.
You have to know aham shabda for this. Asmad. Okay.
No.
Aham, avam, vayam. Like that you practice, but it is maya, by me. Okay. Maya.
Maya.
So
Maya.
vakyani maya likitani. Okay.
Vakyani maya likitani.
Alikyata. Actually, alikyanta. It should be plural because vakyani alikyanta. Something like that should come. So this one is the bhuta karmani lang. Very tough. That's why Samskrita Bharati is teaching us this kta and ktavatu pratyas because they are far easier. These are not easy to remember these forms. Okay. So and also the prakriya sometimes changes the dhatu forms, etc. And it is a struggle.
Sir, it is alikye, right?
No, alikye. See, the karta is not directing the kriya pada. We are in karmani mode.
Okay.
So vakyani is directing alikyanta. It should be alikyanta.
Alikyata.
Alikyanta. Yeah. Plural because vakyani. Okay.
Yeah.
So like this, guys. The who was that? Who was unmuted? No, Swarna Kumari finished.
Yes. I have
Chitra. Chitra Variye. Next is your chance. Dharma was followed by the people.
Janaihi. Janaihi. Dharmaha.
Well done.
Followed.
See, Sita Ramam kim karoti? Vane Sita Ramam
Anuvadati.
Anusarati.
Anusarati.
Anusara. So following is Anusarana.
Anusara.
Okay. Anusara. That form you have to go. How do you go? Dharmaha?
Anusaryata.
Anusrutaha. Dharmaha anusrutaha. Does it? See, once you see it, you will say, that sounds correct, right? So dharmaha janaihi anusrutaha. Dharmaha janaihi palitaha. Palitaha also can be used. Anusrutaha also can be used. If you want to go literal, anusrutaha. If you want to go outside of that, palitaha. Dharma palanam.
Palitaha is taking care kind of thing, right?
Correct. How to take care of dharma? By following it. Not by constructing a compound.
Okay.
Unfortunately, people think it is by constructing a compound. Anyway, a boon was given by God. Krishnan Ishwaran Varya. I think he comes all the way from US time zone.
Devena Bhaktaha.
Bhaktaha. Where is Bhakta in this sentence?
Dattaha.
Dattaha. Kim Dattaha?
Varaha.
Devena Varaha Dattaha. Well done. Modi has
Thank
got it perfect. Devena Devena Varaha Dattaha Yachitaha. And for this, Ekaha can be added, but it's not required because Varaha is Ekavachana only. Now, I don't know how to do this in Bhuta Karmani Lang. Okay. Ayachyanta or something like that. I'm not sure. Okay. No way to verify for me. So I left it there.
Sir,
But anyway, the
Devena
question.
Varam Dattam, is it right or no?
Devena Varam Dattam is Kartari. Okay.
Okay.
Correct. Chitravariya, correct. But the
Yeah,
question
yeah,
is,
yeah,
what you are
yeah.
saying is Kartari. See,
Karmani.
they Varam Dattam, okay, or Devaha Varam Dattavan, another form, okay, and you can say Varaha Devena Dattaha. Varaha is Pullinga, okay. Varam Dattam is a different, slightly different way of saying it. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. No, I totally
Deva
forgot about
becomes
Karmani. Yeah,
Deva
yeah,
becomes like a sadhana, karana karaka
yeah.
for that sentence.
Halena
Okay.
kind of. Yeah, yeah.
All right. So we'll take a break at this point. We finished this lesson. So let me shift to the other lesson. Yeah. So we will take a water break. Logically, we have come to this correct conclusion, 11:51. So 11:55, 11:56, 4 to 5 minutes from now, be back here. We will start the Ashtamaha Pataha. All right. Thank you. Stand by and take a break. अस्तु पुनः स्वागतम् अष्टमपाठस्य पठनं कुर्मः प्रार्थना तु कृतमस्ति तु यथा पूर्वमपि अत्रापि एकपङ्क्ति उक्तिः एवमस्ति अल्पाक्षररमणीयं यः कथयति निश्चितं स खलु वाग्मी पुनः अल्पाक्षररमणीयं यः कथयति निश्चितं स खलु वाग्मी सो यः अल्पाक्षररमणीयं समस्तपदः तत्र अल्पाक्षरं रमणीयम् अल्पाक्षररमणीयं यः कथयति सः खलु निश्चितं वाग्मी इति निश्चितं like that. Okay, so that fellow yaha, whichever fellow, alpakshara ramaniyam, okay, something that is very entertaining and also brief, okay, kathayati says, okay, saha kalu, that fellow indeed is not. Kalu is like is he not, indeed is he not, saha kalu, indeed is he not, like that. Okay, nishchitam wagmi, definitely to be determined as a wagmi. Wagmi is like a title to a orator. Okay, so isn't such a person entitled to the title orator, like that. Okay, he who can convey his message charmingly, yeah, nice translation, Ramaniyam, in a few words is indeed an orator, like that. Yaha pratama vibhakti ekavachana pullinga yaha saha pair, yaha saha pair. Okay, yaha अल्पाक्षरेषु रमणीयं कथयति रमणीयं कथयति. Okay, so अल्पाक्षरेषु रमणीयं I have made a kind of a vigraha vakya split. Alpakshara ramaniyam, alpakshareshu ramaniyam, like that I have split it. Okay, so kathayati, lat pratama purusha ekavachana tells, saha khalu avyayam, okay, is he not, is not, just it, there is no he there, is not, he is here. Vagmi, okay, pullinga pratama ekavachana ikaranta, vagmi shabdah. Okay, vagmi.
Mahodaya, one question. So you said alpakshareshu, which is in a few words.
Correct.
Literally, but is it the sense is not by a few words? Alpaksharena.
In Sanskritam, this adhikarana vibhakti, okay, is used in that sense also. Within a few words is this is how we will say, no, right? So within is something like adhikarana, right? Within a few words, that sense. Okay, in a few words. See, in is also adhikarana in English. Okay, we don't say in English by a few words. We say in a few words, right? Or within a few words. So we tend to use adhikarana in such places. That means the message embedded within a few words. That sense. Alpakshareshu ramaniyam.
Okay, dhanyavad.
So even in Kannada, I do that. Alpa, we don't say halavu aksharaгаlinda. We say halavu aksharagalli only. In Kannada also, in Hindi also, we probably do that. Okay. Adhikarana karaka we got. Okay. Bhashabhyasah. So every time they now teach us something new, some new aspect of Kriya Pada is what they have been generally focusing. So this time it is something very tough. They are taking us slightly into tougher terrain. Karmani lot lakaraha. Not only we are going to do Karmani Prayoga, we are going to lot, which means Prarthanartha, Agnyartha. That is command, request, those forms, right? So let us see that. Let us see through examples. The teaching is best through examples. Tvaya griham gamyatam. Tvaya by you. So because it's Karmani Prayoga, obviously Karta is in Tritiya. Tvaya by you. So this is Madhyama Purusha. Tvaya griham gamyatam. Griham napumsakalinga gamyatam. Okay. May it be gone to. Okay, may it be gone to, gamyatam. Okay, so this is karmani lot. So yakara is appearing there. See, that is the karmani nich yakara. Okay, going home should be done by you. It's a slightly painful construction. That's what they have shown. You should go home in kartari. Okay. Now here they use the should. So I also many times even in previous class students were a bit confused. Is it the sense of should or is it the sense of let? Okay. Actually, lot lakara is a little permissive. Okay. In our world, it's a little permissive. By the kaku or the tonality, we convey the harshness of what we want to say rather than by lakara itself sometimes. Okay. So the body language, the tonality plays a huge role also. Because the lot lakara, if you see the lot's bhava senses in the standard dictionary also, it will include agnya, pratignya, ashirvada, vidhi, all options. How can all those options be conveyed by one? Through a little bit of kaku, okay, and sandarbha. We have to take it. So we should not too much question this translation also. It's possible sometimes it is in the sense of should, but it most likely is in the let sense because mrudu. So going home may be done by you is a slightly better translation. Sitaya grantha pathyatam. By Sita, the grantha, pullinga ekavachana, grantha, but it's a karma. Ekavachana, but karma pada. Pathyatam, may it be read. Okay. So there is no linga. If you see, unlike ta pratyaya, when we use for karmani, there is a linga viveka, right? Grantaha, patitaha, something like that, which is also karmani ta pratyaya. But patitaha follows grantaha because it is karmani and all that. But patyatam is a kriyapada. So patyatam has no such compulsion. In fact, kriyapadas have no sense of linga, right? They are more about purusha, vachana, and lakara and such things. Okay. Purusha in rows, vachana in columns, and lakara in multiple tables. That's how they move, right? So here we are in lot, but lot has two types of tables. One is kartari table, karmani table. Standard when we learn only kartari. Okay, everything is about kartari. But karmani is introduced by Panini through a prakriya, process of introducing that yakara. It turns out to be yakara. It starts out as a nich, ikara. Okay, so that turns out to be yakara in the company of neighborhoods due to sandhis, etc. So patyatam. So grantaha patyatam. So sitaya grantaha patitaha is a kta karmani. Sitaya grantaha patyatam. But patitaha is not lot. Patitaha is a simple bhuta kridanta. Okay. So, but here we want to bring lot or the directive into the equation. So, patyatam, let the epic be read by Sita. It's a little bit of directive there. Okay. So, it is not
So
equivalent to Mahodaya.
So just going by the English translations, then Vidilinga and lot are interchangeable, or
Yes, very correct. If you
Yes.
go to the Paninian sutras, he will say lot cha. His sutra for lot.
Okay.
He is following the Vidilinga, saying loti cha or something like that. He says, okay. Also in lot like that. So
Sir, lot lakara atmanipadi as well, sir.
yeah, you see, lot lakar, it depends on dhatu, right? Dhatu can be parasmai, atmane, or ubhayapadi. So lot also can has forms available in parasmai and atmane. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ramakrishna Varya. So lot also has, but here we are in karmani mode. Okay. Remember, when we do karmani mode of a kriyapada, automatically the pratyaya we use are atmanepadi pratyaya. Do you remember that? See, gacchati, gacchati doesn't become gamyati, it becomes gamyate. Okay. Instead of ati, we go ate, which means we automatically apply the Atmanepadi pratyayas for Karmani. When moment we introduce the Karmani nich in the inside to mean the Karmani form of the dhatu, we also automatically also use the Atmanepadi form. So the tam, 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 tam and all that you see here are Atmanepadi lot endings. Vandatam, vandetam, vandantam. Lot lakara of vand dhatu, you have to go and pick up the table and follow that. And but introduce the yakara. So even vandatam can be vandyatam. Vandyatam will be karmani. Vandatam will be kartari lot. Okay. Am I making sense?
Yeah,
Am I confusing you guys?
No, yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Okay.
No, sir, it's very clear.
Many things are entering into the picture, so I am trying to word them out. Okay. All right. So tvaya griham gamyatam. Sitaya grantah patyatam. So Sita se grant patan ho jaye. I don't know how to say it in Hindi. My closest is granth ka patan ho jaye. Like that I can say. Closest to my available Hindi. In Kannada it's very easy. Sitainda granthavu odal padali. Odal padali has a sense of directive. You see, odal paduttade is a simple statement. Okay, odal paduttide is a karma present tense. Odal padali is a bhavartha lot. Okay, may it be read, let it be. So that form. Okay, I don't know how to say this classically in Hindi, but I hope you guys from Hindi world understand what I'm trying to indicate. Sevakena bharaha uhyatam. By the sevak, the weight may it be lifted. Okay, vahana, vahda, vahana. If you remember, vahana, take something from one place to another place. The same thing. Uhda, to actually it is. Okay, so uhyatam, may it be lifted. So let the weight be lifted by the servant. Balena rasaha swadhyatam. By the boy, the taste may it be tasted. Juice. They have taken rasa as juice. You can take it as taste also, but juice is fine. So swadhyatam, may it be tasted. Okay. Bhavatbihi karyam kriyatam. By you all. See. Bhavatbihi, by you all, but you in the sense of third person. You remember Bhavat Shabda is a third person of you. It's a facility available to use third person for actually Madhyama Purusha. So that actual it is you, but it is in the sense of aap. So it is third person. So Bhavatbihi, by you all. Karyam, the work, kriyatam, may it be done. It is singular. Kriyatam is singular because karyam is directing the singularity. See, the kriyapada may lack the linga, but it still tracks for the other aspects for the karya. Okay, so it is tracking karya for its vachana. Okay, so that's where it tracks. See, grantaha directing the vachana, pratyatam. So far singular only is there. So Bhavatbihi is not directing the vachana. Karyam is directing the vachana. Remember, because karmani. Asmabihi chitrani drishyantam. See, now we come to plural karma pada. Asmabihi, by all of us. So this is Uttama Purusha. So aham, avam, vayam, that one. Asmabihi, by all of. Tritiya bahuchana of that is asmabihi. Chitrani, karma pada, prathama vibhakti bahuvachana. Any question? Somebody is unmuted. Okay, I'll mute everyone. Okay, so bhavadbihi karyam kriyatam asmabihi chitrani drishyantam. So many pictures. So drishyantam in plural. Okay, may they let these pictures be seen by us. May these pictures be seen by us. You can translate that as let or may, etc. Okay. Taihi palani khadyantam. By them. So this is third person tritiya bahuvachana. So saha taute tam tautan tena tabhyam taihi. Okay, pullinga bahuvachana tritiya vibhakti. Okay, sa te taha tam te taha taya tabhyam tabihi. For strilinga it would have been tabihi. Okay, phalani khadyantam. The fruits may they be eaten. Let they be eaten. Bharatena Vijayah Prapyatam. By India, the victory may it be obtained. Let it be obtained. Sarvaihi Samskritam Smaryatam. By all the language Samskrita may it be remembered. So it is Napumsakalinga Shabda. So Sanskritam Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Okay. Sanskritam, Samskrite, Samskritani. If you go to plural and all that, that's all. Smaryatam. Okay. So Samskritani Smaryantam. If there are multiple Sanskritas. Okay. Bhavata Swagata Bhashanam Kriyatam. By you. Again, it is a you in the sense of Pratama Purusha. Okay. Bhavata by you. Say Tritiya Ekavachana. Swagata Bhashanam Prathama Ekavachana. Bhashanam is a Napumsakalinga. So Pratama Swagata Bhashanam Prathama Ekavachana. Kriyatam, may it be done. Let it be done. So by you, the inviting or inaugural speech, or what you call inauguration speech, invocation speech, whatever. Kriyatam, may it be done by you. Welcome speech. Yeah. All the above sentences are in passive voice and imperative mood. Agnyartakaha, lot lakaraha. Hardly any agnya there. Let. But it can go there. See, should, it can go there if you wish. Okay. But if you want to very explicitly represent that command sense in the words, there are other avyaya padas available. Avashyena, not avyaya padas, other things that can be added to the sentence. Eva, avashyena, this kind of things can be added to emphasize. Avashyena kriyatam, avashyena khadyatam, like this kind of thing. Okay. Athva khadyatam eva, this kind of things. Swadhyatam, what is it? Khadyatam, swadhyatam. Okay. All the above sentences are in passive voice and imperative mood. As you are familiar with the general rules of karmani prayoga, let us concentrate on the passive forms of the verb in the imperative mode. We already remembered what all the rules are almost, right? So that's what I was pointing out, but I was pointing out what is the difference between Kridanta and Kriyapada. Kridanta has to track the linga, but Kriyapada has the freedom to not track the linga. That's the difference. Okay. Freedom, no, it doesn't track the linga. I should not say freedom. Freedom means option. It doesn't track the linga, I should say. Oh, I guess this person is doing the Swagata Bhashana. That's why I think why I put that picture. Anyway. So rules of passive verbs in Lot Lakara. If you know the active imperative form, Lot Lakara form of an Atmanepadi root, you can easily derive its passive imperative form. Okay, so always this starts with Vandate always. So, Udaharanam, Lat Vandate, Lot Vandatam, right? Vandatam, Vandetam, Vandantam is the Lot table. So that way you can use that one as a reference. So similarly, Patyate, the Karmani Lat, Pathati, Patyate. How to take it to Lot? Pathyatam. Just like Vandate goes to Vandatam, take Patyate to Patyatam. Use the same technique. Same prakriya more or less happens. Te to tam, like that. Okay. Likyate, likyatam. Svikriyate, svikriyatam. Uhyate, uhyatam. Smaryate, smaryatam. What is the difference between Vandate, Vandatam and the rest? Vandate, Vandatam are kartari. Patyate, patyatam, likyate, likyatam, up to smaryate, smaryatam are all karmani. But even Vandate, Vandatam can be taken to karmani. Vandyate, Vandyatam. Yakara has to be inserted. Vandyate, Vandyatam. Okay, they just showed the kartari form just to teach us the tailings, how the tailings happen. Okay, is that clear? Imperative mood forms also have the ya in passive, the karmani nich we call it. Okay, in technical shastra Vyakarana, it's called karmani nich prayoga. So patyatam, likyatam, jnayatam, shruyatam. See, they have bold, made the yakara bold. Okay. The passive forms are conjugated just like the active forms of the verbs in Lot Atmanepadi. That's what they are showing. The passive forms, which is basically karmani forms. Read that as karmani forms. So yakara has to be added, but the ending similar. So vandatam, vandetam, vandantam, same way. Patyatam, patyetam, patyantam, gamyatam, gamyetam, gamyantam, drishyatam, drishyetam, drishyantam, sprushyatam, sprusyetam, sprusyantam, Pachyatam, pachyetam, pachyantam, likhyatam, likhyetam, likhyantam. All these are karmani lot. Okay, but all these are prathama purusha. So far they are only showing us prathama purusha forms. That's a Samskrita Bharati Paddhati. Go slowly. Don't hit the brain with everything and confuse. Okay, so they're going slowly. Now they introduce the Dvivachana also column here. Okay, and what is to the left? It is
Sir,
simply the
excuse me, sir.
lat form. Yeah.
Fourth
Chitra.
sentence, Balena Rasaha Swagyatam. So we have to be very careful. Swagyatam is stated and Swagatam is welcoming, right?
There is no gya there. There is dya. Swadhyatam.
No, it's
Swadhyatam.
Dya. Okay.
Dya.
Yeah.
Swa.
Okay.
This looks like kha,
Swad,
so
swad.
that's why I also got confused. But you should
Yeah.
look at the width and decide this is not kha. See, kha also looks very close to that. See here,
Yeah,
kha. Because that's why in the font, the kha, they take the ra like thing and attach it to the va to show it as one font. Whereas here there is a sa separate clearly. Swadhyatam, and vakara is quite big, unlike the short vowel in the ka. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Swa kha kha. So swadhyatam, khadyantam. Both are dya. This is also dya. This is also dya. Yeah. Okay, madam is like 10 minutes behind us. Always morosing over what was already taught, catching us in the equation. Good. Now, when you do that, don't forget to track what is being taught right now. Okay, don't miss the present.
Yeah.
Like they say in philosophy. Okay, all right. She will get into, she's one of the inquisitive types. She will get into a loop and keep mulling, saying something is wrong there. And she usually is right. When she thinks something is wrong, something will be wrong. I remember the caveat in my class. I am a student in the path like you guys. Okay. Somehow I have been placed as a guru here. Not guru, I should say a pracharya or acharya here. Okay. So I am teaching you. That doesn't mean everything I know, and doesn't mean everything I teach is correct either. I'm trying as best as possible to be accurate. Okay. All right. If we wait for the perfect acharyas, none of us will get going. And the same way, if I wait to be completely knowledgeable before I step into the role of teaching, not many teachers will be there in the world. So knowing that, I am biting the bullet, as they say in English. The usage of passive verbs in the second and third persons in imperative mood is rare. See here. See, they're saying passive in Madhyama and Uttama Purusha is likely to be rare. So they're saying most likely third person usage, so don't get scared. Because generally any command has its object Karmapada in the third person only. Okay. The Karmapada is in third person. See, they maybe aap karo, tum karo, like that say, but tum karo is kartari. So tumse kiya jaye. When we say kiya jaye, that is a karmani. So it's tracking karma pada. So tvaya grantah pataniyah, tvaya grantah patyatam, like that. These kind of easy ways are there. That's why the kriya pada false in third person is being pointed out, because the karma pada is more or like a third person always. Okay. Generally, any command has its object karma padam in third person only. Hence, the forms of Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha are not given here. They are not even bothered. But I haven't stopped there, so that we get the full knowledge. I have put it in this picture here. This slide can be useful to keep. So, patatu, patatat, patatam, patantu, patapatatat, patatam, patata, patani, patava, patama. What are these? This is kartari parasmaipadi lot. Parasmaipadi lot. Okay, patatu patatam, patantu patapatatam, patata patani patava patama. So this is lot for all purushas. Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. The same thing with an Atmane, which is like Vand Dhatu. Vandatam, Vandetam, Vandantam. This was shown by them also many places. Vandasva, Vandetham, Vandadvam, Vandai, Vandavahai, Vandamahai. This is the full color of the Atmanepadi lot. Now this is all still Kartari, nothing Karmani yet. Now we switch, using those, we switch to Karmani lot for pat and vand dhatu. Because we started with pat and vand dhatu, so we'll go to karmani also in pat and vand dhatu. So how patatu, patatam, patantus changes. Patyatam, okay? Patyatam, pathyetam, patyantam, just like vandatam, except the yakara also appears. Like, and same way vandatam also goes to vandyatam. So let me read it now quietly. Patyatam, pathyetam, patyantam, patyasva, patyetham, patyadhvam, patyai, patyavahai, patyamahai. Just like this vandadhatu. Same for vandadhatu also, but yakara added. Vandyatam, vandyetam, vandyantam, vandyasva, vandyetham, vandyadhvam, vandyai, vandyavahai, vandyamahai. So this table is a Prakriya derived table from the earlier tables. This is the originals. These are Prakriya derived using Karmani Nich added in the middle. Moment we add the Karmani Nich, Atmanepadi forms are enforced. So Patatu, Patatat becomes Patyatam. Atmane form ending. There is no Patyatu. There is no Patyatu. It is incorrect if you say Patyatu. It's okay as a learner to make those mistakes, but eventually we know that that is a Parasmaipadi tail we have ended up adding. That should not be done. Say over time we will know to not do that. Okay, let's see what
one lay person question. Why do we learn so much about Karmani usage? Is it used in our literature
Yes.
extensively?
Karmani is dominant in Samskrita literature.
Oh.
That is why.
Because it's very tough compared to Kartri. So I was just wondering why
only in
so
our
much...
languages. Only in our languages it is tough. Once you fall into it in Sanskritam, it is not tough. Okay. Sanskrit Bharati at level 2 itself wouldn't go into Karmani if it is not important in our lives. Okay.
And one itself it went into actually. So I was thinking it is only for a temporary phase we are going into it, but it is going so deep and
no such,
so much more deep. So I thought,
no such relaxed approach.
I was wondering why so much importance to Karmani. So
Madam, actually, see the thing is, if Sanskrit was extremely simplistic, then it couldn't be rich either. You cannot have it both ways, right?
Yeah, no, I was just thinking, is it predominantly we are now studying Karmani actually from last year end onwards. I mean, the last Pravesha end onwards. Predominantly we are studying Karmani.
Yeah,
so much important. So I was wondering if all our literature is most of our
not all. There is a dominance of Karmani forms. Yeah.
Because in English it is not very dominant passive usage.
It's because the language is not technically sound.
Very rich either. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Let me call
only
it technical.
Shakespearean or Wordsworth or something. Maybe
yeah,
they
we have to admit the same for even Kannada and other languages like that, right? They are not sound in Karmani. They are not very sound in Karmani. Sanskritam is extremely precise with Karmani.
Okay.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine the richness of the language that has hundreds of kridantas? Hundreds of kridantas. 100 is actually it goes closer to 150 or something like that. I heard. Okay, so every krudanta is a color added to the kriyapada. I mean, it's just lakara itself 10 itself is shocking to us, most of us. How can there be 10 lakaras? How can somebody think of 3 types of past tense? It's very rich. Our ancestors were smarter than us is all that I can conclude, Saugandhi Varya. We are just struggling to climb to their pedestal of linguistic skills. That's all.
Yeah, I was shocked the other day when you said Dasharati and Dasharatha. I was just thinking how you can derive one word from the other, and they would have, even the parents were so intelligent. Not that only some people were. Everybody knew everything like it was.
Oh, when you mean parents, you mean even Loka. Yeah, even Loka was smart.
Yes, because everybody could name their children like that. I don't know about Chanakya's father.
When there is such an intellectual development and an interest in intellectual status of life, automatically the society is lifted from stupidity. Okay. Everything looks stupid things like, procuring, fighting look so mundane and dumb when you get lifted. So one hopes that, I think that society, at least in portions, was so lifted that they were removed from what you call just living. they lived not for just living. I think that's very clear.
Yeah, especially the other story also in the first part, we had Chanakya with the local, with the Choras, one story. So the interaction was so complete, like from the commonmost person to the most intelligent person, there was interaction. So I think intelligence pervaded that generation. I don't know. It is impossible to believe the amount.
It is not as if they were not Kutila, because they had to, for example, take Chanakya. Chanakya's other name, title is Kautilya. What is Kautilya? It is a growth of Kutilata. Okay. Yaha Kutilaha asit saha Kautilyaha. Kutilatayaha putraha Kautilyaha. Son of mastery of tricks is Kautilya. Okay. So Kautilya is probably a title he gave to himself, because he probably named himself Kautilya, because he knew, because see, already in his era they were fighting invaders. Okay. So every trick in the book was coded by him. So his Arthashastra is a masterpiece for his era. We should, as we climb in this world of Sanskritam, go to access those and appreciate how they coded. They couldn't have maintained hundreds of years of rulership without having such laws coded and following them diligently. Okay. We lost it when we
we are deeply indebted to you, Guruji, for bringing this to us.
Okay, Varya. Now don't go there.
Guruji. No, sincerely.
I can almost see Sweetie Varya coming into picture saying, "Can we get on with it?" Okay, so let's get on.
No, Guruji. Then we won't be learning Sanskritam. We'll just be learning Sanskrit, I think.
Okay. Anyway,
yes,
no, I just picked her name because she's also having a correct point, saying, "You guys go off on a tangent. Let's focus on learning." She's right. Sometimes we get lost in a tangent. Okay. All right. So Putrena tvam yuvam drishyasva drishyetham bhaktena aham vandyai vandyamahi iti devah devaha na vadati vadanti. So I have shown here a rare way of building Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha examples into this. That's all I have shown. So I will not spend too much time there. So we can move on. Okay. So because time is short, let's move a little bit more. So some imperative forms. I have put a judge because he has this right to be imperative, directing us. So Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi dhatus they have listed here, tagged it. So Kartari Prayoge and shown Kartari Prayoge. Everybody is Atmane form in Kartari Karmani. That's why they put this table to show whatever is in Kartari form having variants of tailings like Patatu versus Vandatam, etc. combines into Patyatam, Vandyatam, same tailings in Karmani. That's why they have put this interesting table. So Patatu becomes Patyatam, Likhatu becomes Likyatam, Janatu becomes Jnayatam, see not Jayatam, Jnayatam, Shrunotu becomes Shruyatam, Vandatam becomes Vandyatam, Atmane in both places. Ikshatam becomes Ikshyatam. These are all singulars. Of course, it will become Patyantam, Likyantam, etc. in plural. So this is like may he, she or you do something. This is like may this or that be done. So that is the difference between the two, Kartari and Karmani. Okay. So some abhyasa to conclude the lesson for Saturday. We just have 1 minute left. Let's see how much we can get through. Write the passive imperative load forms of the following present tense forms as shown in the example. Very easy, guys. Okay. So let me use 1 or 2 people to do this exercise. Sudhavarye, can you unmute yourself? She never unmutes. Why? Okay.
Can I do, Mahoday?
Murthy Varya, no, let me give chance to Murthy Varya. He's my best student. So Murthy Varya, can you unmute yourself, sir? Okay, he may not be in a position to do that. Who wanted to try?
Just
Shall I try?
Ramakrishna Varya. Oh, Murthy Varya is here. So guys, stand down. Murthy Varya is here. You guys have to withdraw from the equation. Write the passive imperative forms of the following. So gamyate is gamyatam. Mahodaya, you have to try a few for us. Tadyate.
Niyate.
First one, tadyate.
Tadyatam.
Tadyatam. Next one.
Vanjate. Vanjatam.
Very good. Next one.
Next, niyate. Nayatam.
Niyatam. Okay.
Niyatam.
See, niyatam.
Piyate. Piyate is actually not pibatam. No, it's not. Pibyatam. No.
Piyatam.
Piyatam. Okay.
Straightforward. Piyate, piyatam. See what they have shown. They have shown the. They have shown the past. What is the thing they have shown? Gamyate. Actually,
Karmani.
It's a lat karmani. Okay. They have shown lat karmani, which also has atmanepadi ending, because moment it is karmani, it has atmanepadi ending. We are moving from lat to lot. Gamyate, gamyata. Piyate, piyatam. So there is lot of assist coming from the lat karmani also to form the lot. Very nice.
Shruyate, shruyatam.
Shruyate, shruyatam.
There is.
Thank you, Arya. Just let a few others are wanting.
Yes, sir. Let them do it.
Let them. Thank you, sir. So I think Ramakrishna Varya was very enthusiastic. Let me give him a chance. Ramakrishna Varya.
Yes. Tyajate, tyajyatam.
No. You are not pronouncing it right. Slowly.
Tyajyate, tyajyatam.
Tyajyatam.
Gamyate, gamyatam.
Correct.
Drishyate, drishyatam. Gnayate, gnayatam. Diyate, diyatam.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Now, this diyate, see, all others are easy dhatus. Tadyatam, may let somebody be hit, something like that. Niyatam, let something be taken. Vandyatam, let something be prayed to or bowed down. Piyatam, may something be drunk. Shruyatam, may something be heard. Tyajyatam, may something be rejected. Gamyatam, may something be gone to. Drishyatam, may something be seen. Gnayatam, may something be known. Diyatam, here it is not da dhatu. Okay. Initially I also got confused. Then I was not very convinced. So I went into dhatu search. Found this is a different dhatu. Okay. Perish. It's a totally different dhatu. Okay. May something perish. Diyatam is may something perish. Okay. I don't know if something Sanskrit Bharati realized they're introducing quite a rare dhatu, but that's what it is. And if we want to go to the give dhatu, the da dhatu, okay, that is atmanepadi kartariya of that is dattam, and parasmaipadi kartariya of that is dadatu. Okay, I am not very clear as to how that goes to lot. I'm not very clear.
Actually, Mahoday, this question I had, this was on page 122 in the Abhyasa. So we had converted dadati and the Vartamana Kala of dadati was diyate over there. Even in the answer they have given diyate, but it is datte.
I think there is a mistake, oversight. We have to probably write an email pointing out that they are making that dhatu confusion there. Okay. I think I will remember to write a short note to them. It's up to them to take corrective action or point out our mistake in interpretation. Okay. Yeah. All right. So with that, let's end the day. So time is up. So let's gather tomorrow at 11 o'clock and keep plowing away at this. All right. Namo Namaha. Namaskaraha. Shubha Bhojanam.
Dhanyavadah. Namaskaraha.
Sir, one doubt.
Doubt. Please ask the doubt, madam.
Sir, one thing. Shrunotu has become Shruyatam.
Shruyatam.
Then Shruyate also becomes Shruyatam.
See. Oh, good question. Shrunotu is what? Shrunotu is kartari lot. Is it Swarna Kumari who is asking the question?
Sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
So Swarna Kumari,
Yes.
Shrunotu is Kartari lot. Shruyate is Karmani lat. Karmani present tense. Okay. Shruyate. Okay.
Okay. So, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Dhanyawad.
Astu. Namo Namah. I will stop the recording and end the meeting.